Alright guys, we're back finally. It's been a while, but we're back. So the boy D, he had a brake caliper lock up on him. So he just got a brake caliper. We're about to stick this thing on his Honda. Got the boy Devo.
Heck yeah.
The old Honda, bud. It's a C model.
Yeah, it's a C.
C. His brake caliper locked up on this side twice now. So now we're gonna jack this thing up, pull it off there, and replace it. For once, I'll be your cameraman today, following him around. Well, we gotta show him the jack trick, guys. I forgot. Harbor Freight jack problems. But you can get your old flathead out. And I don't know if it's just my jack or I just got unlucky. But see how this one does not come up the whole way? You literally, every time you use this jack, you gotta take it and pop it up. So now you can pump it.
Just bought the same thing.
Well, mine's busted, but all right, guys, we're back. We got it up. Just had to do a little bit of manual labor on the spring there. Pull this off the rest of the way. Get everything out for the brake caliper. Don't even look that bad, but
No, I literally just had it off the other day cleaning it.
yeah, rotor feels fine. I don't feel ripped up. It might be warped, but
Yeah, probably working from now.
12 millimeter. Pull the first set of bolts off. Get the caliper off. I guess we're not pulling the bracket off, so it don't matter.
Mm-hmm. Here we are.
Oh, you're gonna pull the bracket off too?
Yeah, because that's... I can't remember what I ordered. It was... You can get the caliper with the caliper alone for like 75, or it's 81 with the bracket and all. I forget which one he ordered. He said, well, you might as well get this. Oh, whatever, just get it.
Okay, so we'll probably be taking both sets of bolts out there, folks.
I don't think I really need the bracket, but...
Boy, you tighten them things up. Maybe that's why it's locking up.
Well, figure how much heat.
Oh, yeah, true.
That thing yesterday, I'm telling you, it's one of the dang tires that melted off the rim. It was so hot yesterday.
Well, my boy's showing his dad muscles. You know, dad soon to be. Got the gun show out. You got a permit for them things, dog?
Yeah.
He said I'd do my push-ups.
Yeah.
Come on, pry bar.
Yeah.
Little or big?
Probably smaller. Yeah, it's a big one.
Yeah, pry that thing. Just yell at it. Say, get off of it.
Get off her. Let's see how it works.
Old smoked one.
Not too bad.
No, they don't look bad.
I drove a quarter mile here and so hot they are.
Oh, I see. I touched your stuff earlier.
Not too bad.
You got another 200,000 miles on them.
Yeah, they're actually wearing pretty even, actually. It's pretty rare. Can't believe one ain't smoked and the other one, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Now you gotta get these back bolts off, the caliper bolts. They're on the back side there.
Probably 17.
See if I can.
Yep, 17. Boy.
17 millimeter caliper bolts. This is what, 2011?
Yeah.
2011 Honda Civic Si. Alright guys, while he pulls them off, we're gonna take a little walk. Check this out. So, we're in PA. And there's some wildfires in Canada. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera or not. Focus. Do you see how gray the sky is? That's not clouds. That's the smoke from them wildfires coming clean down here. That's crazy. Kind of makes you think. So Canada's, well, it depends on what side of Canada you're talking about, because it's right past New York, but all that smoke blowing down here, shouldn't that stuff go up out of the atmosphere? So I don't know about you. You're gonna have to let me know down below. Do you think we had a fire? Okay, hear me out, conspiracy introvert here. If we have a fire, instead of all that smoke coming the whole way down here like it has nowhere up to go, we living in a dome, Makes you wonder, why is that smoke going up and dispersing? Why is it coming down so thick that it making it look like it's a cloudy day about to storm or something? And you can smell it. I don't know, could you smell it outside, D?
Yeah, as soon as I walked out.
Hard to breathe, man. I feel bad for them guys in Canada. I mean, they're getting hit with it hard, but... Anyways, let me know down in the comments below what you think. Are you a conspiracy theorist? Are you not? I am with certain things, not everything. So, anyways, jibber jabber. Let's get back to this. What you got going on, dog?
I dumped everything.
Oh, I did that yesterday. It's like playing pickup sticks when you're a kid.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you dumped everything over now. Pick everything.
Cause it's fun. The bolts were in there tight. Had to get the whole long reach ratchet out.
And it took all I had to get that.
Couldn't get the old stubby impact in there. So had to go old school.
Oh my god! Well, these ones never been off, I don't think.
While he's pulling that off, on a side note, we've been doing some side work. You know, trying to make some extra cash, just do something on our days off. Because having 4 days off kind of gets boring, which I should be making more YouTube content, but kind of slack at that. But I'm going to start bringing guys along on side jobs and try to make some content out of that and stuff. But we just went and put a bid in on a little odds and ends side job. So, might be doing that next week, might not. But... oh yeah, I forgot to park way over there. Anyways, on my truck, on them side steps that come down, my steps that come down, there's little lights in there. I want to hook a battery up and see if they work. All the wires are corroded because they didn't, you know, heat shrink anything. So I want to try to see if I get them lights to work. And then my front steering stabilizer shocks, they look like crap. So I want to try to get them painted, repainted white, black, something, just so they look nicer and cleaner. Try to make the truck look a little bit prettier. That's another project. This is the first project on the agenda. Taking the brake line off.
Mm-hmm. You got a rag or something?
Yeah. Block the hose back off. Alright, no, sorry, I was meant to say blocking the caliper back off so it don't leak. You want a zip tie thing around that? Or you just want to
I think if I fold it up real good, I can stick it up in the shop. This way it don't. Try to keep the liquid from going out.
Got old caliper out.
Figure that old girl's been in there. This one's factory. The rear one's been, I'm on my 4th rear one.
It's because you don't drive it much. You drive 2 minutes to work and back.
Well, that and
not a lot of wear and
new
tear.
manufactured junk.
Yeah, true. They don't make stuff good like they used to. Now we gotta run 2 minutes down the road to AutoZone, trade this caliper for his other one, get the cord feedback on it, pick up his new caliper and maybe bracket. He don't know what he ordered. Then we're gonna come back, stick it back on, and bleed the whole system. On a side note, guys, check this out. So we did a side job. We built a horse barn not too long ago and a deck. Now, I've been needing a small trailer to haul my mower, my motorcycle, and then my 4-wheeler we just acquired. But finally went out and bought a trailer. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Straight up cash, done with. So now we got a trailer, we can go do what we want, which hunting season's it's right around the corner. I do want to take my 4-wheeler since it's tagged up to state game lands and known bow hunts up there. And I'm gonna try to, like, you know, just scout some stuff, explore some stuff. I used to live at the bottom of the mountain that I want to hunt. I grew up around there, but it's been a while since I've been out there, so I forget some of the places. So I just kind of want to go up there, scout around, have some fun, ride on it. Maybe get Debo to bring his 4-wheeler up. Kind of have a chill day about it, but
yeah, right.
We'll see what happens. Back with the new caliper bracket. Boom, look at that, brand new, boy.
Yeah.
You're about to stop on a dime or a nickel, whatever you want to do.
Well, I doubt that.
Now you got to take the bracket off, the caliper, maybe.
Oh my god.
They sent that factory spec tight.
I guess. It probably ain't going back on that tight.
Take it off,
Oh my
slap her
God.
back on there. Hopefully the rotor's not warped too bad. Bleed this
I
whole
heard
brake
too.
system.
Here with the Oogie Doogie. Got it. They didn't even hear me coming. I should have just ran that all the way out.
Yeah, that'd have been the...
See, you learn as you go, you know, sometimes.
No, if I can power tool it, I'm power tooling it. Look at you, it's so gentle on the trigger.
Not a shot of that, a shot of the grease.
Time to set that old girl back on there. Brand new.
Mm-hmm. You got me.
Alright guys, don't worry, we got it. It was just catching the dust shield just a tiny, tiny bit, and I mean like that much.
I take back what I said about the AutoZone workers. They're very nice, polite people.
She got that dust shield out of the way and she bolted right up. Well, tighten her down now, but...
What the heck? My bolt gets tight.
Alright guys, so we went to AutoZone again. We had to give his new bracket back for his old bracket because of the fact that the bolt holes, once you got just barely snug, they'd pop loose again. Like the threads were gone on it. So we returned that, had to fight with them because, you know, we're like, hey, can we get a discount?
And then you buy the caliper and the bracket together as a whole for $90 something. So I was like, you know what, just go ahead and I'll pay the $90 something, get the new bracket and the new caliper. The bracket was messed up, so I was like, it's unusable, you can't tighten it. So you take it back to the store and that's when you start arguing.
More of the story is, try to return it and like, hey, just give us the old bracket back, we'll take that one. He asked him, he's like, can you give me, you know, a little bit of a discount since what I ordered was a bracket and a caliper. And he's like, oh, got all huffy and puffy. Oh, I guess I can give you 10% off. We don't do that, blah, blah. Well, how's that any different than if I didn't buy the bracket and the mounting bracket and the caliper, and I just bought just the caliper? There's a price difference there. Oh, we don't sell just the calipers. Pull it up on the website, dog, because I just did. He wouldn't pull it up in front of us, but I just did. They sell them with and without the bracket. So give us the difference in money back. But he got all mad because of that. That's why I hate dealing with AutoZone most of the time. There's only such few people, and he's trying to say, I've been here for a year. Okay, bud. I've been ordering car parts a lot longer than a year, but anyways, we got his old bracket back. We're gonna clean it up, lube it up, get it good to go, because the bracket wasn't bad. It was just a caliper. But that's the things you gotta watch out with AutoZone. Don't let people push you around, man. Stand your ground if you know you're right. When he huffed and puffed about him asking about the discount, that's why I said something, because dude, I'm not dumb. I bought multiple calipers from there with no mounting brackets. There's a price difference. It's not that big of a deal. Plus, it's AutoZone's money, not your money. Dude, you just work there. Why are you being so defensive? Ran over. Let's clean this bracket up, get it lubed up, get it thrown back on, get this caliper on, and just put it in the past.
Some people grind my gears, you know.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I tell you what. Our luck's so bad that if we bought a funeral home, people would stop dying. The last time I went up there in my one truck, I tried to drive through some of it, but I couldn't remember what went where and whatnot. Like bow season, no one hunts up there. You might run into one person.
Ow!
You bleeding?
I don't know, a lot of skin removed. Oh, I am bleeding pretty good. Oh, that sucker wide open, boy.
Bleeding on my tools, man.
Oh, I'm not trying to.
We'll spray some brake clean on it.
Yeah.
get some of that in that cut, dog. Ooh, feels real good. You want me to get the brake clean that thing out? Alright guys. There's my old ST wheels. The one's bent from hitting a pothole. Get it straightened out. Tell me these things would not look good on his car. Just imagine. They look real good. Drop a comment down what you think. Might get one to see if it fits on here. And just like that, it's the back one, guys. Now we gotta just bleed them. We're gonna see if this rim fits there real quick. Alright guys, so bad news. I was wrong about the bolt pattern. They don't fit. But how good would they look? They look so good. His is 5x114, mine's 5x108.
Man, I'll be cruising down the street looking like a John and shit, boy.
Alright guys, we're gonna bleed the brakes now. Gonna make sure we got brake fluid. He's gonna pump the brakes when he holds them. I'm gonna break the bleeder valve.
Okay.
Alright. Now we got a mess, guys. Top her back all with brake fluid and she'll be good. I'm gonna clean my hand up. Easy as 1, 2, 3. ABC.
ABC. I don't know the rest of the song.
Alright guys, brake fluid's topped back off. Went ahead and topped off his clutch fluid since it's hydraulic. Everything's topped off. Look at that clean motor, boy. I've eat that.
I ain't freaking clean as it usually is.
Now the only thing we got left to do is just put the wheel back on, clean up our mess. So, don't want to bore you guys with that. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to throw this in here just in case. I don't know how long this video is going to be. If it's going to be just one video, we're going to throw the truck stuff in. But if not, just remember, stay happy, stay hungry, stay humble. We'll freaking see you next time.